Hello everyone, in this video I am covering all important questions of coordinate geometry. So what are the formulas I am using it, also explaining. Okay, so first is based on the distance formula. First one is, so distance formula is, so I'll explain the formula and one sum will do. Distance formula. Distance between A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. Okay, 2 points are there. So AB is the distance. So this can be calculated by using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so one example I will explain you based on this formula. So find the distance of A 2 comma 5 and B is minus 3 comma 7. So we have to find the distance between the AB. So AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. This is x1 y1, x2 y2. So minus 3 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square. So you will be getting so minus 3 minus 2 means minus 5 whole square plus this one 7 minus 5 is 2 square. Okay, so this is 25 plus 4. Okay, so I will get root 29 square, not square unit, just units, because this is not area, no, just units. Okay, so next formula is midpoint formula. So formula between 2 points A comma B, A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. So what is the, see if any line segment like this is there, A, B. So suppose D is the midpoint, we have to find the D coordinates. Okay, so D x comma y equal to, so formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So we'll get the midpoint of the line segment AB. So we find one point. So find the midpoint of A 5 comma 3 and B is 4 comma 7. Okay, so we have to find the midpoint of this points. So suppose the D is x comma y is the midpoint. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, that is 5 plus 4 by 2 comma 3 plus 7 by 2. So we'll get 9 by 2 comma 10 by 2. So which is 4.5 comma 5. Okay, this is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Okay, so next formula. So next is trisection, means a section formula. Find the coordinates of the point which trisect the line joining points 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3 comma 4. So A coordinate is 1 comma minus 2. So B is minus 3 comma 4. Okay, so this is x1 y1, okay, x2 y2. So point trisecting means, so PQ divide this line segment into 3 parts, 3 equal parts, that is AP equal to PQ equal to QB. So these 3 parts are equal. Then we have to find these coordinates of P and Q. Okay, so here observe for point P, what is the ratio? This P divides this line segment AB, means this is one part and this is two parts. So P divides AB into 1:2 ratio. Next Q divides AB. So this 1, 2. So 2:, this is one part. So 2:1 ratio. So we are going to find the coordinates of P and Q using the section formula. This is M1:M2 ratio. So M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2 and M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, this is the section formula. So I am finding the coordinates of P comma Px comma y. So M1 is 1, M2 is 2 here for this. Okay, so M1 means 1 into x2 means minus 3 plus M2 is 2 into x1 means 1 by M1 plus M2 means 1 plus 2. Okay, comma denominator 1 plus 2, M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1 minus 2. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2 by 3, comma 4 minus 4 by 3. So this term you will get 0 here. So this is minus 1 by 3. 0 by 3 is nothing but 0 only. Okay. So what is the coordinates I am getting? Minus 1 by 3 comma 0. Okay, this is Px comma y. Okay, this is very important model. Next Qx comma y I am finding. So this ratio is 2:1. Okay, so M1 is M1:M2 means 2:1 ratio. Okay, so directly I am substituting. M1 into x2 is minus 3 plus M2 into x1 is 1 by M1 plus M2, 2 plus 1. Okay, here also 2 plus 1. M1 into y2 plus M2 into y1. Okay, so if you simplify, minus 6 plus 1 by 3, 4 minus 2, 8 minus 2. So we will be getting minus 5 by 3, comma 6 by 3. So what are the coordinates? Qx comma y is minus 5 by 3 comma 2. So this is how we find the coordinates of line joining the points which trisect the given line AB into 3 equal parts. Okay, so next model. I hope this is clear to you. Explanation. Next question. So next is centroid formula. So suppose I took a triangle ABC with the coordinates A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. So median is nothing but if you join from A to opposite side BC such that so it divides this AD divides this BC into 2 equal parts. So this is AD is called a median and BE is also median and CF is also median. See, centroid is nothing but the 3 medians intersection point is median. So what are the, how to find the coordinates of centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So one question I am explaining you. The centroid of a triangle is 6 comma minus 1. If 2 vertices are given, we have to find the third vertex. Okay. So what they give, G x comma y equal to 6 comma minus 1. Okay. Next A is A x1 comma y1 is 3 comma 4. B x2 comma y2 is minus 2 comma 5. We have to find C x3 comma y3. Y3 we should find. Okay. So we will apply this formula. So G of x comma y is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus y2 by 3. Okay, so g of x comma y is nothing but 6 comma minus 1 equal to x1 is 3 plus of minus 2 plus y3 by 3, sorry, x3 by 3, comma y1 means 4 plus 5 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so this is x coordinate, y coordinate, x, y. So we will equate x coordinate with x and y coordinate with y to get the unknown variables. Okay, so 6 comma minus 1 equal to 3 minus 2, 1 plus x3 by 3, 9 plus y3 by 3. So we will do equating x coordinate and y coordinate on both sides. So both sides equal means 6 is equal to 1 plus x3 by 3, comma minus 1 equal to 9 plus y3 by 3. So if you cross multiply means 6 into 3, 18 equal to 1 plus x3. That implies x3 equal to 18 minus 1, which is 17. Okay. Next, this implies cross multiply. Minus 3 equal to 9 plus y3. Okay. So if you transpose, it will become minus 9. So y3 equal to minus 3 minus 9. So y3 is minus 12. Okay. So what is the coordinate? C, x3, y3 is 17 comma minus 12. Okay. This is about the centroid. Okay, next question is show that the given points are collinear. So this I am showing by using the area of the triangle formula. So if 3 points are collinear means 3 points lie on the same line. So suppose, so if you observe these 3 points A, B, C, they are collinear. Implies area of the triangle is 0. So area of the triangle can be found by using this formula. See, suppose if the coordinates given, how to find the area of the triangle? Very useful. x1, y1, b, x2, y2, c, x3, y3. Okay, this is, so if 3 coordinates are given, how to find this formula? Area means this formula. So if collinear means we have to equate area of the triangle equal to 0. Okay, so these points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, so 3 points are we should show that the area of the triangle is equal to 0, then the points are collinear. Okay. So we have to show these points are collinear. Okay. First we will find the area